entrepreneurs. I'm Sheretha Gordon, the owner of Strategic Steps Consulting. And this week, I want to talk to you about what is a business model. Simply put, a business model is how your business makes money. How do you make revenue? The complex definition of a business model is basically a conceptual tool designed to help you and your management organize and operations of your business. It's the way you look at your revenue streams, your customer base, and your channels to get your products and your services to your customers. Now, you would have to ask yourself, how does my business make money? Or how does my business bring in revenue? Once you've asked yourself that question, you would have to start with what? What is my value proposition? Who is my customer base or my target market? And how? How do I get my products and my services to my customer? What channels do I use? Once you've come up with the best design for you to do that, then you can use that information to complete or improve your business plan, to work out your strategic plan, and other plans that come out of your business plan. I want to talk to you about 3 successful business models. The first one would be the subscription plan. We've all seen these types of subscription plan models inside of Netflix, in your gym membership, or in other products and services that you've purchased where you actually paid a subscription. The other one would be the platform model. The platform model has to do with Facebook, Airbnb, and even Uber uses the platform model. And the final model would be the customer obsession model. This model is used by Amazon. Now, you can use any model that works for you, and there's several you can choose from, or you can do a combination of all of them. The key is to sit down and make sure you come up with a model that works best for your revenue. Because without revenue and you only have cost, you will have a negative profit. So you have to remember that revenue minus cost equals profit. So I must understand as a business owner my revenue streams, my customer base, and my channels that I use to deliver my product to my client. Today's discussion has to do with what is a business model? And the answer is, it is the way that my business creates, delivers, and captures value for my product and my service. So I hope today I have helped someone understand more about a business model. This is one of the key parts of your business planning. If you want to know more about what we do here at Strategic Steps Consulting, please visit our website at www.strategicstepsconsulting.com and follow us on all of our platforms: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And of course, please subscribe and like our channel, where all of us as professionals come together as a team to help business owners make sure that they build, you know I'm going to say it, a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. Have a good week, and we'll see you on next week. Thank you for listening. Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.